The dinosaurs were not only massive creatures, they were also incredibly diverse in their ways of life. From their habitats to their feeding habits, social structures, and defense mechanisms, dinosaurs led fascinating lives. In this episode, we'll explore everything about the lifestyle of these ancient giants, how they lived, what they ate, and how they interacted with their environment and each other. Dinosaurs roamed across various environments, from dense forests to open plains and coastal regions. In the Triassic period, Earth was covered by the supercontinent Pangaea, which meant that dinosaurs could adapt to a wide variety of climates. Some dinosaurs lived in lush, humid forests, where dense vegetation provided shelter and food. Imagine these forests filled with ferns, cycads, and conifers, ideal environments for plant-eating dinosaurs like Brachiosaurus, which used their long necks to reach high branches. Others thrived in drier, more arid conditions, such as the deserts that formed during the late Cretaceous. These species developed unique adaptations to survive in these environments, including water conservation techniques and specialized feeding habits. As Pangaea began to break apart, dinosaurs had to adjust to new landscapes, changing weather patterns, and even new food sources. The rift between continents allowed for more isolated ecosystems to evolve, leading to the appearance of new species in different regions. For example, the Tyrannosaurus rex thrived in the North American regions, while the long-necked sauropods were more common in the southern continents, like South America. Dinosaurs were divided into herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores, like the massive Brachiosaurus, fed on the abundant plant life that grew during the Mesozoic era. These creatures were often giants, needing to consume massive amounts of vegetation to sustain their size. The Stegosaurus, for example, had a smaller body compared to other sauropods, but its unique plates and spikes helped protect it from predators. They used their small heads to graze on low-lying plants, eating cycads, ferns, and other plant matter. Meanwhile, carnivores like Tyrannosaurus rex and Velociraptor hunted other animals to survive. T. rex, one of the largest land predators to ever walk the earth, had powerful jaws capable of crushing bones. Its keen sense of smell likely allowed it to track prey over long distances. On the other hand, Velociraptor was much smaller but faster and smarter. It likely hunted in packs, using its intelligence to outsmart and overwhelm prey. Some dinosaurs, like Oviraptor, were omnivores, feeding on both plants and smaller animals. The different diets of dinosaurs helped create a complex ecosystem where each species had a role to play. Herbivores fed the carnivores, and omnivores could fill gaps in the food chain. Some dinosaurs, such as the Hadrosaurus, lived in large herds. Herds offered protection from predators, and they also provided opportunities for social interaction. For instance, Hadrosaurus had complex social structures, likely working together to protect their young and alert one another to danger. These herds could range from a few individuals to hundreds, offering safety in numbers. The fossil evidence of Maiasaura, a duck-billed dinosaur, suggests that some dinosaurs even built communal nesting sites where large groups would care for their eggs together. Evidence from fossilized nests shows that some dinosaurs, like Maiasaura, cared for their young in communal spaces. These dinosaurs may have worked together to protect their nests and raise their offspring. Such communal parenting would have been beneficial in protecting the vulnerable young from predators and ensuring the survival of the species. On the other hand, some carnivorous dinosaurs, like Allosaurus, were solitary hunters, only coming together for mating or territorial disputes. Despite this, even solitary species sometimes interacted in large gatherings during mating seasons, indicating the diversity in dinosaur behavior. Dinosaurs reproduced by laying eggs, but not all of them were passive about their offspring. Fossilized nests of dinosaurs like Maiasaura show that these species likely cared for their eggs and even helped protect their young. These nests, found in what's called dinosaur graveyards, suggest that the young might have stayed in the nest for weeks or months, learning survival skills from their parents. Some species may have had elaborate courtship rituals, with males competing for the attention of females. For example, Parasaurolophus, with its long, tube-like crest, might have used visual displays to attract mates. As for their young, some dinosaurs grew rapidly, reaching full size in just a few years, while others took much longer to mature. Dinosaurs had a rich sensory experience. Many species had excellent vision, which helped them spot predators or prey. Some dinosaurs had large, sensitive noses to help them detect food or danger from afar. Tyrannosaurus rex likely had an exceptional sense of smell, allowing it to track prey from miles away. In fact, some theropods may have even communicated with each other through vocalizations or visual signals. Large, colorful crests on dinosaurs like Parasaurolophus might have been used to communicate or attract mates, much like modern birds. These crests could also have been used to identify individual dinosaurs within a herd, helping them maintain social order. To survive in a world full of predators, dinosaurs developed unique defense mechanisms. Herbivores like Stegosaurus had thick, bony plates and sharp spikes along their tails to deter attackers. Their plates likely had a role in regulating body temperature, absorbing heat from the sun during the day and releasing it at night. Triceratops used its 3 horns and massive frill to protect itself from carnivores. These features were not only physical defenses but also could have been used in displays during mating season or territorial disputes. Some dinosaurs, like the heavily armored Ankylosaurus, had bodies covered in thick, bony plates, making it almost invulnerable to predators. Even carnivores like Tyrannosaurus rex had adaptations like powerful jaws and strong muscles to defend themselves or fight for dominance. Dinosaurs evolved rapidly during their time on Earth, adapting to changes in their environment. Some dinosaurs grew wings, like pterosaurs, while others developed more efficient ways to hunt or forage. Pterosaurs were flying reptiles, not true dinosaurs, but they lived alongside them and were crucial parts of the ecosystem. As the continents drifted apart, species had to adapt to new ecosystems, which led to a wide range of unique and specialized forms of life. This constant evolution allowed dinosaurs to thrive for over 160 million years, dominating Earth until their mysterious extinction. Their adaptations, from wings to armored bodies, helped them become the dominant life form on Earth for millions of years. Dinosaurs were not just giant creatures. They were a diverse and complex group of animals that lived in a variety of environments and developed fascinating ways to survive. In this episode, we've uncovered how they lived, ate, reproduced, and interacted with their world. If you haven't seen the first part of this series, where we explored how dinosaurs were created and evolved on Earth, make sure to check it out for the full story. And don't forget, in the final episode, we'll dive into the mystery of the dinosaurs' extinction, how these majestic creatures disappeared from Earth, and what caused their downfall. Stay tuned and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting dinosaur discoveries.